Hey friends, if you encounter desktop manager high CPU usage or DWM exe high CPU usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before anything else, search for MRT in the Windows search bar, which is the malware removal tool, and run it completely. It needs a few seconds to load. Click on next, full scan next, and then let it run through. Once this is done, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator, type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan and let it run through. Okay, now once this is done, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.